Welcome to Technology World. Today I'm going to start a new tutorial for students and who are keen on information and communication technology. This tutorial will help you to improve your knowledge in home because this pandemic period around the world, so this will help you to improve your knowledge. Today my first lesson is based on one Neumann architecture. So let's go to the video, find out what is one Neumann architecture. So when we come to the one Neumann architecture, it was introduced by the John von Neumann in 1945. That is why it's called one Neumann architecture. And also this is known as Princeton architecture. Apart from that, von Neumann is a computer architecture based on that described in 1945 by the mathematician and physicist John von Neumann. This is the one website mentioned about one Neumann architecture. So where the one Neumann architecture is concerned, it is the foundation of all digital computers in the present context. Because in today's we use laptop, desktop, supercomputer, palmtop, wide range of computers are there, even mini computer, but those are digital computers. The one Neumann architecture is the basement of all computers. So on the other hand, one Neumann architecture is based on several factors. You can see the screen. What are the functions of the one Neumann architecture? Somehow one Neumann architecture has provided a platform for information and communication technology. So when it comes to the input device, is the first thing that is related to one Neumann architecture, and secondary memory, primary memory, output device, CPU. It consists of two subsystems, ALU, CU. ALU mean arithmetical and logical unit, and CU mean control unit. These are the factors that related to one Neumann architecture. So somehow where the input device is concerned, the equipment that used to produce a signal to information processing system is an input device. So what are the input devices? There can be seen wide range of input devices, and also they can be categorized into three: keyboard, pointing device, and data entry. In the future, I hope to do one tutorial regarding only input device and also output device, and also secondary memory, primary memory. One by one, in future we will discuss about these factors. So, for an example, keyboard, mouse, and also joystick, scanner, microphone, camera, touchpad, joystick, those can be considered as the most commonly used input device. So, secondly, output devices. What are the output devices? Output devices those allow data to transmitted by the computer human friendly manner. So normally computer only know about binary language, and its output devices help to provide the outputs in human friendly manner, just like printer and camera, monitor, GPS, projector, sound cards are the few examples for output devices. Human only catch the what is human friendly equipment, just like photocopy and picture and scan things, sounds. Sound is the most good example for output device, speakers. And thirdly, primary memory or main memory. This is the memory that stores data temporarily. Or in the primary memory, data depend on voltage. That's to say that it's volatile memory, depend on current. That means what we are doing in this moment, it is on the primary memory. CPU can access directly what is in primary memory because it is in the primary memory. There can be seen several categories, mainly primary memory called RAM, ROM, cache, registers, PROM, EPROM, EEPROM, programmable read-only memory, erasable programmable read-only memory, electric erasable programmable read-only memory. This kind of memories can be seen. In the future, we will discuss one by one about the primary memory. Next one, secondary memory, also known as external memory or back-end storage, auxiliary memory. Those are similar name for secondary memory. This can be known as the fixed memory and removable memory. Some secondary memory fixed to the computer, some secondary memory can fixed and remove, fixed, remove. as we wish, but some memories cannot directly. For example, hard disk, shift disk, jazz disk, floppy disk, CD, DVD, Blu-ray, those are related to secondary memory. And also there are several medium that is related to secondary memory. In the secondary memory tutorial, I will discuss what are those factors. Now just we should get idea what is secondary memory. It stores data permanently. Next one is CPU, Central Processing Unit, which consists of two subsystems, ALU and CU. ALU mean arithmetic and logical unit and CU mean control unit. The ALU unit does all the arithmetical and logical calculations. CU, control unit, it control input device, it control arithmetical and logical unit, and also it control primary memory, secondary memory, output devices. All the things controlled by CU or the control unit. Those are the related factors one Neumann architecture. So when you are studying, if you are a student, you should know the definition of each devices. So input devices, you must remember that to define whenever exam or somewhere, devices that use to input data to the computer is the definition of input devices. And what is primary memory? Easily remember, it used to store data temporarily. Example, you can go RAM, register, ROM, cache, memory, this manner. And also, what is the output? Devices that used to produce output, printer, plotter, monitor. And also, what is secondary memory? Simply remember, it used to store data permanently. So, what is an arithmetic and logical unit? Arithmetic, it used to arithmetic and logical calculation. What are those arithmetic and logic? Addition, subtraction, division related to arithmetic, and logical and or not. Those are related to arithmetical and logical unit. Lastly, control unit. It control all the components of computer. So we will come to you with the next lesson about input device and output devices. There are many factors to be discussed. So thank you for being part of this tutorial. Like, comment and subscribe our channel Technology World. See you.